Start.
Good morning everyone. This is Rama Chugh, your English educator. Today we are going to do advertisement writing. Advertisements, they are a sort of public notices asking for or offering services or buying and selling property, goods, or providing information about missing persons or objects. Now children, there are two types of advertisements, classified and display. Now what are classified advertisements? Classified advertisements have got a particular column. They have got a particular category. Display advertisements are the category of posters, or you could say pamphlets, which you get to see in the newspapers. Now let's talk about classified advertisements. Now how to write classified advertisements? First of all, we need a box. A box is must. Then in 50 words we need to write the advertisement. First of all, a heading. Now classified advertisement has got a particular heading for a particular type of a advertisement. Suppose all sorts of advertisement, particularly for sale purpose, come under the category for sale. Accommodation wanted come under the category of wanted. Situation vacant, situation wanted. To let, vehicle for sale. Now advertisements, they have got particular headings. We can't give them headings of our own choice. Okay, getting? Heading should be in a capital letter. Now in 50 words we would mention the adjectives of the things wanted, required, or we are offering. Okay, suppose we are having here some important points which are to be kept in mind, the important tips that need to be followed while writing the classified advertisement. Clearly state the category at the top, that is the heading for sale or to let. Give all necessary details in points using commas. Avoid grammar, avoid long statements. Okay, avoid repetitions. Be brief and give only significant information. Should be worded beautifully and tastefully. Language should be simple and concise. Put the matter in a box. Box is a must. Must have contact address, name and a telephone number. Never be too lengthy. Okay, the advertisement should be to the point. Need not be incomplete sentences. Avoid long sentences. You can add your email address if required, if it is the need of the advertisement. Now, there are certain kinds of classified advertisements. Situation vacant or wanted, lost and found, sale and purchase, accommodation wanted, educational, kennel, placement services, matrimonial, to let, tuitions, where you could mention tutor wanted, tutor available, packers and movers, travels and tours. Now, let us discuss examples of classified advertisements. The first one, to let. Okay, now how to write an advertisement for a to let advertisement? First of all, mention the details of kind of a house you are offering, details or you require, details of location, kind of a area, detail of number of rooms, kitchen, garage, lawn, etc. Use adjectives like airy, furnished, newly built, fitted with modern gadgets, contact address and telephone number. You can give your email address also. Okay, now let us discuss the sample. The heading, property, for sale. The advertisement should be in a box. The ground floor of a newly constructed house in Mohammadi Lines, Hyderabad is available for sale. The living space includes 3 bedrooms with attached bathrooms, a drawing room cum dining room and a spacious kitchen. It is centrally located, close to the main market and airport. Expected cost rupees 7 lakhs, negotiable. Those interested, please contact K. Isaac, 7 Mohammadi Lines, Hyderabad, or dial 7747 Done. Now let us discuss one more example, vehicles. What do we need to mention? Model number, year of manufacturing, mileage, its color, single hand driven, good condition, may invite for test drive, accessories, new seat covers, new mats, stereos, etc., papers and insurance details. Vehicle for sale. A 2003 model light blue Santro, only 12,000 km driven, in good condition, is available for sale. Single hand driven, Pioneer music system, excellent mileage, new tires and seat covers, fully insured, can test drive on any weekend. Expected price rupees 2.85 lakhs. Only genuine buyers may contact. Gaurav Singh, 4 AFNO Enclave, Swarka, New Delhi, or dial the number is mentioned. Done, children. This was the classified advertisement. Now talking about display advertisement, it is the form of posters. We have already discussed it. Pamphlets also, which we do get in our newspapers. The advertisements like Preeti Zinta sitting on a scooty pep come under the category of display advertisements. A dental clinic showing an actress, her teeth, her beautiful smile, come under the category of a display advertisement. We have already discussed it. Okay, so that's it for today. Goodbye.